The National Electrical Code, or NEC, generally does not mandate the use of conduit for electrical wiring in commercial three-story buildings. Article 300.22 addresses concealed wiring and states that concealed conductors should be installed in raceways, except as permitted in sections A through H. However, the code does not explicitly list conduit as a required raceway. Article 760.2, which addresses places permitted for electrical equipment in commercial structures, allows wiring methods to be run exposed or concealed in accordance with Article 300.22. It is crucial to understand that local jurisdictions may have additional requirements that go beyond the NEC minimum standards. Always check with the local authority having jurisdiction to confirm any specific regulations that apply to the project. The type of building construction can also influence the need for conduit or other protective methods. For example, fire-rated walls and ceilings might necessitate the use of conduit to maintain the integrity of the fire resistance. Considerations for accessibility and future maintenance can also make conduit a preferable option, especially for long wire runs or in areas that are subject to frequent renovations. Although not strictly required by the NEC in many cases, it is often considered a best practice to use conduit for electrical wiring in commercial three-story buildings for several reasons. Firstly, protection. Conduit provides mechanical protection for wiring, shielding it from physical damage and preventing tampering. This is especially important in areas where the wiring might be exposed to impact or abrasion. Secondly, organization. Conduit helps to organize and separate wiring, which makes it easier to troubleshoot and maintain the electrical system over time. Bundling wires in conduit provides a neat and orderly appearance, which simplifies future modifications or repairs. Thirdly, fire safety. Conduit can help prevent the spread of fire by containing electrical arcing or overheating. Metal conduit, in particular, can act as a heat sink, dissipating heat and preventing it from igniting surrounding materials. In summary, while the NEC may not explicitly require conduit in many commercial three-story building scenarios, local codes, building construction types, accessibility needs, and considerations for protection, organization, and fire safety should all be taken into account. Always consult with local authorities and qualified electrical professionals to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations and to make informed decisions about the best wiring methods for the specific project. Choosing the right wiring method impacts the long-term safety and functionality of the electrical system.